Welcome back. You're here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here in central London, Ontario. We just put a new recovery board over the existing roof. It's a 4-ply pea-stone roof. So we swept it nice and level. This roof is advantageous because we have a nice slope. So here we go. You can take a look at the recovery board. We fastened it down. Now what we're doing now, we're just priming it for the new base sheet we're going to put on. And that is going to be installed in a shedding manner to the eavestrough. And we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, welcome back. We finished installing the recovery board that you saw. We've applied the peel and stick base sheet, and now we're starting to apply the cap sheet. We're going to put some new drip flashing along the eavestrough. We're carrying the membrane up and underneath the existing cap. We haven't taken that off. It's in good shape. Just make sure that it's okay. And then we are going to bring our roofing membrane up. So hope you like it. Hope you learned something. See you later. Hi, welcome back. The job we finished, it turned out wonderful. I'm sure the client's going to be thrilled. There we go. We finished the new roof. He's going to put a deck on here. It's going to be a wonderful place for him to come out and sit. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.